Okay, you guys will be starting this race with a cannon. That's up there. That'll give you your indication to go. You don't want to start before that. The starting line is right up here, so don't be shy. You don't have to run further than you have to. What do we have for time? We have 1 minute to the start. So I'm going to hand this back to you.
I get to sing the anthem?
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Do the anthem.
Okay, I guess I'm singing the national anthem, guys. This just kind of happens, you know?
We'll sing it with you.
No, it's fine. I can sing it. I'm good. I almost went to school for voice, so we should be fine. We'll hopefully. Cross fingers. Okay, here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the rampart we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rang loud, the bombs bursting in air. They proved through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave? Those lessons I took in high school went somewhere. Thank you so much. Okay, so the cannon is going to go off and you guys are going to take off.
Okay, you guys ready over there with the cannon? You guys ready to run?
Plug your ears. And yeah! Woo! I'll see you guys shortly.
That's awesome.
Good luck, everyone. Miss you already. I'll see you soon. Love you lots. See you later. Come back now, you hear? Please. We want to make sure our runners are accounted for. It'll be a nice time. Hello! Okay, and they are off. All of our runners are off. We should probably have our first place person, which is probably got to be one of the Gardner kids, coming in about like 30 minutes maybe, somewhere in that kind of reference. So we will see everyone shortly. And we're getting our clock set up so that way we can get some official results. And we are actually recording this today. I have the starting line and our finish line, which is the same place, being recorded today. And we're going to be putting that up on YouTube, hopefully either today or tomorrow, depending on how fast my upload speeds are on my computer and how well the Wi-Fi is working. Okay, everyone, so we are approaching 11:30 right now. We're at 27 minutes and 46, 47, 48 seconds on the clock. And last year the Gardner kids came through at around 33 minutes. So we were expecting them, or somewhat of the like, to be coming through probably within the next 5 minutes. And we will be rolling out the finish line tape, courtesy of our friends at Kick to the Finish. And thank you to them for timing for us today too. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And it looks like we have our new Falmouth Running Club president, Steve. There's Steve. There he is. And Nancy. We're talking about logistics of who's going to drop what when the person runs through, so we don't trip anyone.
What a great finish.
It's really great when you finish a race and you finish first and then you get tripped by the finish line. Really, just like wonderful. Absolutely, just exactly the thing that you wanted.
So I have a list of questions for you. So I don't know where the cartilage went, but I'd like to know if it's still in there somewhere. If they can do something. I'm so sad. Like I'm literally devastated. I read the report on Thursday after I did the MRI, had to send them back because I was crying.
Meniscus?
No, it's worse than that. Articular cartilage. 1.6 centimeters.
Yeah, so that's the covering on your knee. It's in both.
Yeah, my
Up
epidermal
that you both both.
I had a muscle tear actually from a sports injury. It started with like tendinitis and I pulled my playback and inadvertently and it tore it.
You're coming down the hill, correct? Coming from
Yeah, they'll come down the hill.
come down over the bridge?
And no.
You might at least be able to get like.
I'm gonna ask, like I was talking to Maggie and Carla, and I was like, I'll just be like, you know, I really love running, like competing, you know, like
Stem cell
it's
things
so
now.
sad, like I mean, if I can still run, that's good. But if I can't do
We're doing stem cells, that's expensive.
I mean, just and then right before this happened, like 2 weeks before, I did the jiggle jog, and it was only 6 seconds, but they please,
Yeah, you did a great
you
job.
know.
Hold your leg by mistake and tore it.
Yes. What's massage? I went to her twice within 5 days. The first time she was like, yeah, I think it's a strain, a muscle strain. Then the second time I went to try to get the injury up, so I went back and we had a deep conversation talking about her daughter, and I don't know if she realized that it was an injured leg or how severe it was, and she just was stretched, like just pulled it back like to my butt, and it was sharp pain.
Have you seen the orthopedic surgeon?
I'm going on
Yeah,
Tuesday.
so they'll be able to tell you.
Yeah, and I finally got an MRI. I've had 28 PT sessions, 3 days a week, 7 a.m.
I think we're doing MRI, so you do.
Yep, I had to literally do all those PT sessions before. And I definitely made progress. Like my range of motion is better, don't get me wrong.
How are you?
Hey, how are you? Good to see you. How's Millie?
She's awesome.
Oh, good.
Well, your sister's running.
No way. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. That's
Oh, thank you.
That's a really hard song. Yeah.
I'd say.
I'm a runner too, but I'm injured.
Choirs are like.
Nancy. Liam's mom.
Yep.
I've sung that song a lot. So it's kind of.
I don't know if you know who Liam is. He's older than Millie.
Yep. Yeah.
So.
He's
If there's any song I
redhead.
can sing.
Fair
I'm still
skin
asleep.
guy. Big guy.
Down this way?
I teach in Foundry for I live in Marion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So his daughter's on my son's swim team. The younger daughter.
yeah, so we gotta flip this around.
No, you want we face this way so it's in the pictures. Yeah. We can get a double-sided one.
Okay, we're coming up at around 30, almost 32 minutes here. I imagine we're probably going to see some people cresting the hill shortly, because this is around the time that they came through last year.
Oh, so should we switch?
Now he wants to pick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
If you get the first female too.
Yeah.
which possibly could be Colette. She's out there today. Yeah, we're on her little
Oh, here
skivvies.
comes the runner down the hill.
Oh, here they come.
Okay, coming down the finish line, as predicted, we have the Gardner twins.
Oh, my son.
Here they come. We have, I think this is Silas and Caleb? Nathan and Silas. Nathan and Silas Gardner. We have our first two male finishers. It's kind of a toss-up who's going to actually win this thing. Or like most twins, here they come. Finishing together. Nice job, guys. Nathan and Silas Gardner. First place at around 32 minutes and 30 seconds. Nice job, guys. Really rocking those mocks and those alpha flies over there. Killing it. All that Ben Flanagan training is paying off. Nice job. And second place. Here comes second place right here. Do we have a name for second place person? What is our second place person's name?
Is Kenny's kid running?
Ken's kid's already finished, Barney. They're done.
Oh,
The Gardners are right here.
oh, so that,
What's your name, my dude?
that was
Two.
Cohen's on is in third place. Nice job for Cohen. Woo! Absolutely killing it here today. Okay, my friend. And we have our fourth place male finisher really sprinting it in, coming down to the finish line. Make sure you stay to the side with the finish line on it. Don't run to the other side. And here comes our fourth place male finisher. Nice job. Woo! And awards, I've just been told, will be mailed to you. So if you finish, don't worry about sticking around. You can go home, get warm, or stay warm at least. Don't let yourself cool off too much.
Liam McGuire's pub will be open for beer.
Are they open? Oh yeah, it's almost, yeah. So Liam McGuire's is going to be open. Courtney wants everyone to know to go join him for a beer at Liam McGuire's. Beer's on Courtney, right, Courtney?
No.
Courtney's buying everyone here beers. Just kidding. And our fifth place male finisher. Nice job. This is Tom.
Yeah, Tom!
Woo, go Tom. Nice job. Absolutely fantastic today, guys. You guys are looking great out there. Running way faster than I could. I can't run this fast. Okay. We have the first 5 guys come. 5? 4?
Well, but I know she's gonna go.
Five guys come through.
So
And we're currently awaiting our first female finisher, who will hopefully be here on the shorter side of things. And we'll be excited to see everyone else coming to our finish line as well today, too. Nice job to all of our friends who have already finished. Good job. Congratulations. And again, awards will be mailed to you, so no need to stick around. You can head on out. Nice job, my dude. What's your name? Jack Ryan. Jack Ryan came in 3rd. 4th. Sorry, 4th. You could have said it's okay.
So, yeah, I meant to announce beforehand. Everybody can go to the news. Pops afterwards. You could kind of reinforce that. Yeah, it's regular stuff. It's not no free beer. Yeah. I meant to say Tennessee here. No. I mean, normally they just go in here, but they don't.
Okay, here comes our 6th place male finisher. Come on down the finish line, my friend. Make sure you end Ben Lockhart from Brookline. Woo! Brooklyn. Oh, actually, Brooklyn from New York. Okay, sorry. I thought you meant Brookline, like Boston. That made more sense to me logistically. Nice job, my dude. Welcome all the way up here. You came all the way up here for freezing weather. It's like, what, like 80 degrees in Brooklyn today? Yeah. I would have regrets if I came up here and it was this cold up here. Nice job, Sergeant Brooklyn. Good job, Ben. Killing it. Our next Olympians over here, or at least collegiate athletes in some capacity. Okay. Hopefully we're going to have our ladies coming back here soon. That would be awesome. We'd love to see our ladies coming through, get some of that good female representation that I'm a big fan of. Oh, here they come. Okay. I see Colette, and I see possibly another, I'm not sure, oh yeah, okay. They are really going for it. Okay. Here come the top 2 ladies. Here comes Colette, and here comes our first place finisher. Nice job, you guys. You got it. Keep going. Woo! Nice job. And what's your name, my friend? Elise. Elise came in first, and Colette came in second for the ladies. Nice job. That was amazing. You guys really just like pushing each other at the end. I think that's fantastic. Okay, so Elise came in first, and we have Colette in second. Congratulations, ladies. That was great. Woo! Nice. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. And we have some more of our gentlemen coming through the finish line now. Here they come. Great job. Got it, my friend. You got it. Woo! Nice job. And we have number 92 coming through right now. There you go. Nice job. Woo! Oh, Steve. Congratulations, Steve. Mike's training partner, Steve. And here we go. Nice job, my friend. Woo! Everybody is looking good today. A little bit maybe breathing hard at the end. Got a little bit of wind kicked out of them, but that's okay. We got plenty of wind out here that you can take advantage of. Don't worry. If you lose your wind, we got plenty. No worries on that. We're on the case. There's no shortage of wind on that.
yeah, so we were able to you can add.
Okay, I think I see our 3rd place female finisher making her way down to the finish line right now.
But it just makes it a little bit easier when we're on.
And I think I see one of our local runners as well.
Is
Too.
that an add-on to
Very
the
nice.
laptop?
Okay, let's see who this is. Is this Julia? I think this is Julia coming in 3rd. Okay, we have one of our, there's Dan. Nice job, Dan. And Julia! Woo! that there might be an Aaron coming behind her somewhere. There possibly may or may not be an Aaron and Dixie team coming down somewhere too. And we have our fourth place female finisher coming through the finish line right now. Here she comes, looking great, looking strong. Woo! Nice job! Absolutely fantastic. That was great. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, so we're probably going to start seeing more people coming through the finish line now at a little bit of a faster pace. We're getting more into like the regular people running times as we get a little further down. I personally don't usually run this fast. Congratulations to everyone who has. Good for you, I'm proud of you, you know. Okay, here we go. We have another one of our lovely ladies coming down into the finish line right now. Great job. Come on now, let's give her a round of applause. There you go. Looking great. Woo! Just reaching the 40-minute mark right now. Really great time right there on the clock. Absolutely stunning. Let's see who else we got coming down. This could possibly be Erin. I think this is Erin. Here comes Erin, local legend. Here she comes. Everyone give Erin a big round of applause as she comes to the finish line right now. Welcome in, Erin. Looking good today. Woo! There she goes. This is just a training book for Erin. Erin's like, eh. Okay, I think we probably have our youngest finisher coming to the finish line right now. Everyone give a big round of applause. Woo! Nice job! Okay, there you go. Wonderful, absolutely fantastic. Okay, there's Dickie. Good old Dickie coming through the finish line right now. There we go. Welcome in, my friends. Welcome to the finish line. You're looking great today. Absolutely fantastic and fabulous.
Remind them again about Liam's house.
Courtney Bird would like me to let you know that you can go to Liam McGuire's for a beer after here. It's not on us, it's on him. There we go. Come on into the finish line. Keep walking when you finish, my friend. There we go. Everyone, welcome in. Okay, we have a gaggle of people coming down the finish line chute right now, led by the one and only Hannah Marks. Here she comes, local legend. Here's Hannah. Welcome in, Hannah. Woo! Some other local runners coming through the finish line right now. We love to see everyone. Everyone's looking great today. You're really taking on that nice cold wind with enthusiasm and gusto, you know? And we have some of our Amity runners here. Yeah, all the way from the vineyard, which from this location really isn't that far because the Seagull Six is literally right there. So really not the worst race for our Martha's Vineyard friends to join us for. Definitely some of the other races in Massachusetts a little bit more than but this one is a little bit more convenient today, which is great. We'd love to have our Martha's Vineyard friends with us. Okay. Coming down through the finish line, we have two more of our male finishers. Come on down, my friends. Looking good today. Woo! Nice job! Absolutely fantastic. Everyone's looking great. There we go. And I think I see another one of our Martha's Vineyard friends coming through the finish line right now. Another one of our Amity crew. Welcome in. Welcome from the vineyard. Looking good today. Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And one of our younger runners coming through. Let's give her a round of applause. Nice job, my friend. Woo! We'd love to see it. It's so nice to see some of the younger people out here running too. You know, as an elderly woman over the age of 30 now, it's like nice to see the youngins out here on the course. So I see some young kids over there. Hello, my friends. No, you don't want to wave. That's okay. You don't have to. I know I can be a scary woman. I get it. It's fair. I'm saying that I was elderly. You can take that as you will. Take that as you will. And don't forget, we do have refreshments inside the firehouse. So if you'd like to grab some water, some Gatorade, a granola bar, a banana, please do so. These are for you. You paid for these. This is part of your registration. Okay, welcome in. Welcome legend. Here we go. Yeah, nice job. Woo, don't fall backwards. Okay. Everyone is looking absolutely fantastic today. Absolutely killing it.
Age awards and will be mailed
Any rewards are going to be mailed.
And then remind them about Liam's again.
Courtney Fair would like to let you know that you can go to Liam McGuire's for a beer after this. Again, on him, not me.
Ah,
Okay, welcome back to the finish line. Looking great today, my friend. Absolutely fantastic. There we go. Here comes one of our friends who was smiling at me earlier. Here he comes. Hopefully he's smiling now, too. There you go. Nice job, my dude. Absolutely killing it today. We love to see it. We love to hear it. Everyone here is looking absolutely stunning. You never look better in your life. Never, ever, ever. Than when you're running and finishing on our finish line. Okay, make sure you go to the correct side if you are finishing. If you're just going on a cash run. Yeah, like this lady here, she's just like, nope, I'm on my long run or whatever run she's on. And here we go. Here's some more of our finishers. Welcome in, my friend. Looking good today. There we go. Ah, here's Kate. Here she is. Nice job. Remember our local legend. And this person is just like smiling their face off. I love it. That's fantastic. We love to see the big smiles. We love to see when everyone's happy. There we go. Come on in, number 77. Looking good today, my dude. Absolutely killing it. Murdering it out here on this course in the best way possible. Okay. Nice job. Come on in. Welcome into the finish line. You guys are doing great today. It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad that you came back. Woo! Welcome in. Nice job. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, here it comes. Number 41. Wow. Did he run the whole way like that? Probably not. That's the finish line he did. Welcome in 118. There he is. Absolutely stunning. We love it. Smile for the camera when you come through. We're happy to have you. Happy to have you at our finish line. So glad that you made your way back, that you didn't get lost on the course too severely at least. That you made your way back to the finish line. You know, as a person who's directing the challenge, I have to admit. This is that person who was predicting around earlier. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You guys are looking great today. Absolutely killing it out here. Okay, welcome to the finish line. Woo! Looking great today. Welcome in, guys. Nice job. Come on in. You did it. Congratulations. We're just at about 47 minutes right now. Okay. Come on in, my friends. Nice job. Congratulations. Oh, we got that brand new Coca Bomb bag on. Look how brand new computer on. That's the shoe right here. I can spell the new shoe any day of the week. Anytime of the week. You name it. Okay. Come on in, my friend. Looking good on the Sunday for you. Killing it. Absolutely stunning. We love to see you. We're so glad to have all of our runners back with us for the most part. We got a fair few that we back with us, which is fantastic. It's so nice to see that not too many people got lost for the course. I was so lost that I couldn't find the way. Okay. Welcome into the finish line. Looking good today, my dudes. Come on now, number 56. Welcome in. Looking good. Congratulations. You did it. Woo! There we go. Nice job. Absolutely killed it. Great job. Everyone's looking good. Oh, thank you. Those vocal lessons I took in high school last summer. Hopefully that's a waste. I didn't have to pay for it. So, thanks. Thanks, Mom. Okay. Thank you to the cars who are obeying the course notes. We appreciate your ability to adapt to what is going on. I know you didn't plan on having a race obstruct your lovely Sunday morning, but we appreciate it. Okay. We are around 40, probably 40 Okay, welcome to the finish line. Here we go. Number 100. Woo! Nice job. Congratulations. Absolutely fantastic. We love to see it. We love the enthusiasm. We love the commitment. It's wonderful to see everyone out here on our us today. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you again to all of our volunteers today. If you see a volunteer, thank you volunteer. Our race isn't happening without our volunteers. So we say a big thank you to all of our volunteers today for coming in. Here comes the local legend, one of the Amity Runners leaders, Chris. I don't know if he's technically the president or what he is, but he's going to be like one of the crew of people who will lead the Amity Runners who just came from the meeting room today. To run with us, which is fantastic. And anyone who's looking for a race that's not a Southern Running Club race, you know, you can go run the Amity Runners race. They have the newly revamped Martha Junior Marathon calendar this spring. So make sure that you go and head over to their website. And if you'd like to sign up, go ahead and sign up. It's a great time. I've run the race before. And the Martha Junior is this month. So go ahead and sign up for one of those races. We don't have a spring marathon here over south. We have a fall marathon, which I'm very biased, but I think is the best marathon on the East Coast. And you can come back and you can challenge me, you know. I'm open to hearing other people's opinions. But probably they're going to swing my opinion to very well. Very well. Okay, here we go. One of those in this time. Number 80, come on in, my friend. Looking good today. Congratulations. Great job. Absolutely stunning. We love to see it. We love to hear it. And we have another one of our finishers. Here she is, doing a great job today. Congratulations, my friend. Great job. Woo! Yeah. At some point, I'm going to have to get like a soundboard so I can have like actual sound effects for guys. So I can play that full horn technique. And then maybe like a cowbell or some other kind of fun sound effect. We can put it out to the jury too, which once I put on my sound effect board. We'll put that in the platform. Okay, number 7 on there. Looking good today, my friend. Great job. Congratulations. Woo! Okay, we have a bunch of people coming through the finish line now. I see them coming down the finish line shoot. Here's number 49. Looking great, my friend. Great job today. Absolutely fantastic. Everyone is just absolutely killing it out here on the course. This is a hard course. Anyone who's already finished is like, yeah, I know, it's really, really killing it. I said, no, this is really heavy. And here we go, number 114. Nice job, my friend. Here we go. And one of our younger runners. Here we go. Oh, I think that might be wrong.
Go. No.
Okay, I couldn't tell you who actually won that. That was really close. We'll have to go with the official results for that one, which I believe will be out later today, if I'm not mistaken. The results are actually live right now. Wow. Let's get from the first team. Absolutely coming. Number 28. Welcome in, my dude. Welcome in. Okay, there's some of our other ladies coming to the finish line right now. Welcome in, ladies. Congratulations. You're doing great today. Here we go. Absolutely killing it today. Looking good. Woo! Nice job! Absolutely fabulous and fantastic and wonderful. We love to see it. Okay. Is this someone you're reading for? Who's this? This is Steve! Welcome in, Steve! Woo! Nice job, everyone. Great job! The age group awards are going to be mailed to you guys. So if you want an award, then no need to stick around. We're going to get mailed to you. Welcome in, my friend. Nice job. Great job.
Thank you.
Yep, and Courtney Bird's blind. Everyone will be on the Just kidding. You know what you're on. You know what you're on. It's a secret of focus on great. Welcome to the finish line, my friend. Great job. Woo! Nice job. Everyone's looking great today. Congratulations to all of our
Those twins.
Make sure to grab some refreshments for yourself. Okay, come on in. Woo! Get you out of the finish line soon, dude. No, you good. You just don't want you to get run over by one of the runners. They're on a mission, you know? I know what it's like to be at the finish line and someone's there and you don't anticipate and you kind of end up being collateral. Oh, wow. I don't know if that's a red herring or a blue herring. Okay. Woo! Welcome to the finish line. Looking good. Nice job. We're standing back here a little bit. That's just we're going to hear a little bit more. I'm like, I'm worried not how to. Are you going to fully try to do we're not even in there yet, so. Welcome into the finish line, everyone. Looking good today. Nice job. Woo! Absolutely killing it. Great job. I know the speaker is loud. If you're going by the speaker, it is loud. So just be careful or cover your ears. Welcome in, my friends. Nice job. Absolutely fantastic. Hey, Chris, come here. Chris, when is the North Virginia Marathon? What's the date?
Sunday, April 27th.
Okay, thank you. I knew it was coming up, but I couldn't remember the exact date. Wonderful. If anyone's looking for a spring marathon, go ahead and run the North Virginia Marathon. And then you can come and run the Cape Cod Marathon in the fall and have a well-rounded Cape Cod experience run. There we go. Absolutely fantastic. And don't forget, friends, we do have refreshments back here, so come and get your refreshments. Come and get some bananas. We have some of our finishers coming down the finish line chute. Here they come. Absolutely fantastic. Woo! Nice job. Great job. Okay. Looking good today, my friends. It is a little bit brisk outside. There we go. Nice job. Woo! Yeah. And go through coming through. I see a Cape Cod half marathon shirt right there. That's right. If you want to run the Cape Cod half marathon this year, you guys better sign up now. That race sells out every single year. Every year. Gotta set your priorities now. Set your goals now. So you can be ready to rock and roll and ready to run the Cape Cod half to the fall, you know? And when the fall comes around, it's a nice time. You can also hear my dulcet tones when you come to that too. Who knows? I might also be singing the national anthem again. We might have to talk to that for that, but I don't know. We'll see what's up and what's going on. Okay. And we're just about at 57 minutes right now on the clock. Just about at 57 minutes on the clock right now. Next job, my dude. Killing it. Absolutely fantastic. Woo! There we go. We'd love to see it. Yeah, you got fans out here. Woo! Yeah, there we go. Welcome into the finish line. Looking good today, my friend. Nice job. Okay. Everyone's looking great today. And thank you guys at Seagull Six for being our official sponsor for the race today. Thank you to our volunteers for volunteering with us. We're nothing without our volunteers. Thank you to Kick to the Finish for being our official time race today. Woo! Welcome to the finish line. Oh, such a legend. There he is. Nice job, my friend. Okay. And thank you to our police officers for marshaling the course today too, keeping our runners safe. We appreciate that. It's nice to get everyone back kind of at least similarly in the condition that they left in. You know, probably more tired, but at least in one piece, hopefully, not run by a car. That's kind of the goal, right? All right. So we have, we're almost at about an hour on the clock now. finish. We have one of our former Jingle Dog runners coming through the finish line right now. Nice job. And number 6 coming through. And here we got number 5. Looking great, guys. Absolutely killing it. I feel like I've seen a lot of people wearing the K on today for some reason. The A6 K on it. It seems to be the shoe of choice almost. Not sure why, but hey, whatever. Nice job. Woo! Everybody's looking great today. Woo! Coming into the finish line. Looking good. Nice job, my friend. Great job. Okay. Also, I wanted to note, if all things go to plan on my side of things, the video of the finish line will actually be up on YouTube by tomorrow at the absolute latest. I'm currently recording it, and hopefully we will get it up on the Cape Cod Marathon YouTube channel by the end of the day tomorrow, depending on how fast my Wi-Fi wants to be. Are you good? Okay. Looking good. Nice job, my friend. Killing it. Everyone's doing great. Welcome into the finish line. Nice job, my dude. Great job.
All right, see you later. Bye. Good job.
Woo! Yeah. Nice job. Killing it. Everyone's doing great today. Absolutely just like taking on this course and absolutely killing it with it. Okay. And thank you to all our spectators too for coming out and spectating. It's always nice to have people cheering on the runners. It's always nice to be having people telling you you're doing a good job, even if you feel like you're not internally. Nice job, my dude. I've been there before. The worst is when someone's standing like a mile from the finish line and you're like, you're almost there. I'm like, no, you're not. I'm definitely not almost there. I got a whole mile away. But it's not almost there. Absolutely freaking not. Yeah, have a good day, guys. Okay, everyone who is leaving the finish line area, please be cautious and aware of the people who are coming through and actually finishing the race. Please try and stay up on the sidewalk. That way anyone who's finishing has the full breadth of the finish line to cross the finish line. Just nice and courteous to our fellow runners if we can. I'm not sure how deep they're going, if it's just a place Welcome into the finish line. Okay, so just a reminder that anyone who won an award, it will be mailed to you. Awards will be mailed. Next job, we have a thirsty Irish runner coming through right now. Thirsty for some beers, I'm sure.
Yeah, at Liam's.
At Liam's, okay. Courtney Bird is the official spokesperson of the Liam McGuire's restaurant, apparently. Are they paying you, Courtney?
No.
They should. You're running it
No,
up.
well, I meant to announce it before.
I think you gotta ask them for some permission.
Hi, thank you. Great race.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Thanks for joining us today. Yeah, but I think they gotta pay you more than that. Welcome in, my friends. Nice job. Congratulations. Great job. Woo! Looking good. Nice job. Absolutely fantastic. We love to see it. Everyone's doing great today. Absolutely stunning. Woo! Yeah! Nice job! Come on in, you did it! Woo! We love to hear it, we love to see it. Absolutely fantastic.
Great job. I said great job.
Can you sing a couple more songs?
What do we have for requests?
Even Tina Turner, Simply the Best.
Probably, I don't know all the words to that one. I'll practice it. I'll practice more songs for the Cape Cod Marathon. I'll take requests. And here's Katie. Here she is. Nice job, Katie. Nice job. Woo! She already ran like 5 miles today. There we go. Coming in at what, like 10 miles for the day approximately? 11-ish? Yeah, that was good. Woo! Yeah, he's trying to do shoes on too. Yeah, here we go. These are nice. Some Air Maxes from Nike. I think at some point during the Cape Cod Marathon, I'm going to have to play name that shoe. See how many shoes I can name accurately. I think myself probably at least a 75 out of 100. Is that the criteria or the running code? The one, that's the one. For the farm. I'll have to do some shoe spotting. See what shoes people are wearing. I see some Bondis. I see a Glycerin. I see our friend here in the red. Nice job! Woo! I think he's wearing the DC 2000 from Macy's. Did I just name all the shoes that come through? I think you're going to know that. Weirdly, I've gotten a lot of payoffs that I see today.
20 years with these shoes.
Is that the DC 2000? Yeah. Okay, I got it right. Testing my shoe knowledge, you know?
That's good.
I'm pretty good at naming shoes.
Yeah.
There we go. Nice job, my friend. Yeah, Tina! Woo! I think in the Nike Pegasus.
She's guessing the shoes.
I'm guessing people's shoes. I think you got the Nike Pegasus on.
Unreal.
Yep, that's right.
Unreal.
Brought a little of the Nike magic.
Yep, there you go. Nice job, my friend. Absolutely fantastic. Nice job, friends.
Thank you.
There you go. Everyone's killing it today. Great job, everyone.
Oh, it is. No, this is full time.
Everyone's looking good today.
I ran my best time on this course. Yeah, Jerry, Karen, and
Everyone's looking good today.
And she was just a senior at Harvard Mass High School. First year they ran, and she was leading at Knobs to Light the whole race, and she's
Okay. Welcome into the finish line, everyone. Looking great today. We have a few more of our runners coming down the finish line too right now. Here they come. Looking good. Nice job, friends. Looking great. Great job. Woo! Awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Here we go. Nice job, my friend. Great job. And that was terrible. Journal GTS is on her feet right there. That's who I know. Here we go. One of our Cape Cod Athletic Club friends. Nice job, my friend. And he's also in a pair of Journal GTS. Okay. Good. Welcome into the finish line, everyone. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. We're excited to have you here. You're looking good today. And we'll just give another shout out to our volunteers. Thank you to all the volunteers out here on the course today. We love the volunteers. Without you, we wouldn't have a race. Thank you to the organizers of the race, which is mostly going to be Kathy and I think Steve Norton potentially as the race organizer. I could be wrong. Thank you to our law enforcement people, our police, for making sure that we're safe. Thank you to our friends at Pick to the Finish for timing our race today. And thank you to all of you for showing up and running. Our races are nothing without the runners either. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. Welcome into the finish line, everyone. Come on down. Looking good today. Here we go. Nice job. Woo! There we go. And I believe that looks like a pair of Nimbus 26s on her feet. like today. Oh, the adrenaline GCS again, the popular shoe of choice today. I'm telling you, we got a lot of stability shoes out there. I'll see you later. We got some adrenaline GCSs, we got some Kayanos. The stability shoes are the shoe of choice. Welcome in, my friend. Nice job. Woo! Great job. You just like kind of casually walked that in, didn't you? That was very casual. I like it. Nice job.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice to see you. Great job. Okay. And don't forget, we do have refreshments back here. We have chips, we have bananas, we have Gatorade, we have water. We got Rice Krispie treats. You know, we got the cards. If you want the cards, we got the cards. So go get some, get some food. Don't forget to also make sure you get your glass if you're ready today. There you go.
I ran out of gas.
Very nice.
And then for that start, don't take the picture.
Oh, yeah. He was like 70.
Great job, guys. Come on in. Woo! Great job. We love to hear it. Nice job, my friend.
Yeah, absolutely.
There we go. Absolutely stunning. My friend right here is really collecting the chips. He's got many chips. You're a man of many chips.
I know.
I love to see it, you know. Take them with you. Everyone get some refreshments. You don't want to have to take them back to the office. It's just more work for us.
Yeah, that's what we weren't sure. Okay. Okay. It's over. It's over. Yeah, gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That would be fine. Yeah, it should be okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's gotta be fun. Sounds fun. I'm glad you got us support. It's so cool. I bet. That's awesome. How often do you work with him? Okay, please.
Okay, welcome into the finish line. Looking good today. Nice job, my friend. Finish strong. You got this. Woo! There you go. And another pair of adrenaline GCSs. I'm telling you guys, people here, they love the stability shoe, Chris.
Thank you so much for hosting. Yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Don't forget the awards and mail it and leave. Right? You gonna be there? I'll buy you a drink.
I'm not, I have somewhere else I gotta go for.
Huh?
I'm going to see God's Club this afternoon.
Oh, okay.
We'll see ya.
Okay. And just a reminder to everyone as well, if you do win an award, you don't have to stick around. Awards will be mailed to you. And again, one more time before you go, if you want everyone to go join him or leave one. So if you want to do that, you can. You don't have to, but you can if you'd like to. If you're looking for a beer. Aquatic Brewery also opens at noon, so they're also open. You can go over to Knockabout and Nashville if you want. There's plenty of places in town that you can head over to. Even though you're like a month here on the case.
Sure they're cooling down. Yeah.
Woo! There you go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let them know where we are. Yeah, for sure.
We have 6 up there.
Okay, I've been told we have 6 people left out on the course right now.
Did Jeannie?
What was the last name? What is Jeannie's? Probably Sebastian. Wait, no. What's Jeannie's last name? I don't know, but she came in. Oh, she came in. Yes, she came in. I saw her.
Okay. Oh yeah, Sky and Sky is also open right now too. I believe Coffee O probably too. That's a a lot of places that you could go and get something. If you're looking for something to eat or drink, whatever. And on the way to the finish line! Woo! Nice job! Absolutely fantastic. We love to see it. Great job today. Absolutely stunning. I think that was over 5 people out on the course right now. So,
yes, we had 2 early starters. So we had those 2. I know, mine does too. Let's go.
Okay. Wonderful. We'd love to see it, you know? Okay, we have another person coming out after this line. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Welcome our friends to the finish line. Nice job. Make sure you cross the finish line. Woo! There you go. Great job. Absolutely killing it. Rocking it out here in a pair of trail Sauconys. Wow, you're really just like off-roading it, aren't you?
Thanks, Coach.
We love to see it.
Are you looking for somebody?
Okay. Well, that should be. Okay, so this is what our artificial finish should be
This
taken.
happens to be like my normal trail, so I was like,
Nice job! There you go. Great job. I think that was Liz, actually. It is Liz, okay. I recognize you as you pass by, Liz. Local legend, Liz, coming through the finish line. Great job, Liz. We love to see it. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely stunning. Words are going to be mailed to you. Yep, so if you won an award, good job, you get a letter. I don't know what they are. I don't know how much they're worth. I don't know if you get it just like
a seashell or something.
I mean, that feels like a Liam McGuire prize to me instead of like a Seagull Six prize. Welcome to the finish line. Looking good, my dude. Nice job. Woo! There you go. We love to see it. Absolutely fantastic. It's great to see people of all ages coming through the finish line. It's great to see everyone just doing their best out there on the course. But that's all you can really ask for, you know? Okay. And we have a couple more of our finishers coming through the finish line. At least one more. Here we go. Nice job. There you go. Great job, my friend. Woo!
you just did that.
Nice job, ladies! Good job! Congratulations! That was awesome, you did it! Nice job! Oh, look at that hug, that was great. Good job, ladies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next week, Easton.
Absolutely fantastic. Oh, and I see, I think this is, oh no, it's not the American Mechanics. So we have 2 of our finishers coming through the finish line. Nice job, ladies. Great job today. Absolutely killing it. Nice job. Woo!
One more up there.
Okay. I think we have one more person left on the course potentially. One more person left that we're waiting for right now. Absolutely fantastic. Well, thank you everyone who came out to run with us today. Thank you to all of our volunteers. Thank you to our lovely, lovely police officers who are here making our course safe. We appreciate it again. Thank you to our Kick from the Finish team for timing our race today. Thank you to all of our runners for coming out and running. Our race is nothing without you, you know? Let's see if do we have someone else coming through? There should be one last person left on the course. These are people who are just getting in some extra cool down hours coming around here.
Mike just went scouting.
There they come.
He went on this truck, so.
Now let's scout out the last person. Okay, there's one going out there. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Is it a walker or a runner? Tell me what time they went off. The walker's went
just did something. Last year, I got told my guy was broken. My girlfriend.
Yeah, but you had to.
No, he started with your mom.
Yeah, how come she didn't want to?
I don't know. Yeah, I was like, no, the hills were too much last time. I was like,
She ran, though. She could have stopped.
I know.
And the weather is always definitely better than
She also had one of her girlfriends over last night. Well, her boyfriend came too. And we were like,
You did great. Proud of you. Killing it. Look at somebody else. Yeah, you know, that's half the battle. Is really just making it halfway or like a full way. Nice job, Vicky.
Is that what you wanted to hit? 41 minutes.
That's pretty good.
7:08. It's not bad.
That's pretty good.
We have our final finisher. Everyone give it up. Woo! Coming in strong. Save the best for last. There he is. Absolutely fantastic. You did it. What's your name, my dude?
Thomas Flynn.
Thomas Flynn.
My first 10K.
His first 10K ever. Wow. Nice job, Tom. Thomas Flynn's first 10K ever. And also the end of the Seagull Six in the 2025 year. That is it. Thank you guys all for coming out here today. We're proud of you. Great job.